Good morning friends. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss about the basal metabolic rate BMR. BMR it is very important part of this home science, as you know that. So friends, what is basal metabolic rate? Let us see what is metabolism. We know that in our body different types of chemical reactions are taking place. Some are constructive and some are destructive. So those are constructive process. Thus constructive biological process going on, biochemical process is going on. That is called anabolism. Okay, and thus the destructive process, that is the destructive biochemical process that is going on, that means breaking down or splitting of some compounds, bigger compounds into smaller and smaller compounds, that is called catabolism. So it is a constructive process. It is called a destructive process. So anabolism is a constructive process, catabolism is a destructive process. Anabolism plus catabolism is equal to called metabolism. Okay friends, so equal to metabolism. Anabolism plus catabolism, again speaking, anabolism is the constructive process. Some smaller compounds so unite or combine to produce bigger compounds, and जैसे प्रोटीन प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है ऐसे, एंड दोज सम कैटाबॉलिज्म, सपोज कोई फूड ब्रेक हो रहा है, फूड ब्रेकिंग करके एनर्जी निकल रहा है, हीट प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड कैटाबॉलिज्म. सो अनाबॉलिज्म एंड कैटाबॉलिज्म दोनों को मिला के हम मेटाबॉलिज्म बोलते हैं, दैट इज टुगेदर कॉल्ड एज मेटाबॉलिज्म. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो सी व्हाट मेटाबॉलिज्म इज. फ्रेंड्स, वी नीड दैट आवर बॉडी नीड्स फूड इन ऑर्डर टू गेट एनर्जी एंड हीट. We know that friends, our body gets food, it's take food in order to what that food, when burnt in the presence of oxygen, it gives us energy plus heat. This energy and heat, when food is burnt in the presence of oxygen, it provides energy and heat. That energy and heat is required, is needed for the survival, growth, development and maintenance of our body and vital parts of the body. But that food is taken to, in order to maintain, to functionalize the internal organs and the external activities when we are at the time of work or out of work, we are sleeping condition. But what is the metabolic rate? Metabolic rate may be defined as the energy requirement of our body. Metabolic rate is the energy energy spent per unit time. So metabolic BMR is equal to energy spent per time. Energy spent per time, unit time. The rate, that means energy spent per rate. But what is BMR? What do you mean by BMR? Friends, BMR means what? The amount of energy required by our body or necessary for our body. हमारे बॉडी को एनर्जी चाहिए, जितना एनर्जी ज़रूरत है, at which time, when we are at resting condition, where body is in resting condition. And the metabolic rate is the rate of metabolic rate may be defined as the energy requirement of our body when we are at sleeping condition or resting condition. And but in that case we have not taken food for longer period of time, but still that our body needs energy for the maintenance of brain, heart, kidney, lungs and other functions, internal functions, repairment of tissues and defense mechanism of those. So all this process, for all these functions our body needs certain amount of energy, but we are not at the active, we are at that time what we are not taking foods. So generally what basal metabolic rate calculated when after the taking of 12 hours of taking food, after the 12 hours of taking food, तो फूड खाने का 12 आवर्स के बाद व्हेन 12 फूड लास्ट फूड का 12 आवर के बाद वी जस्ट calculate the BMR at that time. No, our stomach is empty, no food is in your mouth, and we are on our condition, we are not sleeping condition, but still we are active due to energy spent. And this is the basal metabolic rate. So basal metabolic rate means the energy spent per unit time, and it is calculated after the taking of 12 hours after the taking the last meals. Means लास्ट खाने का बाद 12 आवर के बाद जब हमारा स्टोमक एम्प्टी है, हमारे माउथ में कुछ फूड नहीं है, वी आर आउट है, वी आर मेंटली एंड फिजिकली वी आर अलर्ट है, एट दैट टाइम वी जस्ट कैलकुलेट द बासल मेटाबॉलिक रेट. The basal metabolic rate BMR for male, it is 1600 calorie per day. For women it is 1400 calorie per day. Actually unit of BMR is calorie per hour per body size, square centimeter or square meter plus hour. So this for men the 1600 kilocalorie, for women it is 1400 kilocalorie, the daily requirement the BMR for a healthy persons. Okay, now let us see measurement. Measuring device. BMR measuring device, we can say the two device, open circuit device, closed circuit device. So it is called developed by Bennett and Roth. It is developed by Douglas, otherwise called Douglas. So two open circuit device and closed circuit device are used for the measuring of BMR, and it is the Bennett and Roth device, and it is called Douglas bag. It is otherwise called the Douglas bag. Is it right? Now let us see the factors affecting BMR. Factors affecting BMR. Number 1, body size, that is called surface area. Next is your age, sex, environment, fever, etc. So these are the conditions or factors which what affecting the body size. Body size is directly proportional to the what BMR. If body size increases, the BMR rate increases. Means a thin and wide person and a tall person have more BMI than a short and healthy person. Means you have to can say the fat person. So it is directly proportional to age. Increase in age, we know that every 10 years there is 2% decrease in BMR rate after 20. So after 20 years, आफ्टर ईच 10 साल के बाद 2% रिड्यूस हो जाता है व्हाट BMR रेट. तो ये चलता है एक डेकेड और 10 ईयर्स में 2% BMR डिक्रीज हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट वी नो दैट वी आर टॉकिंग विद सेक्स मेल एंड फीमेल. तो मेल्स आर मोर BMI, मेल्स आर मोर BMI than the females. 2 to 5% of BMI is more Male have more BMI than female. That is 2 to 5% of BMI is difference seen between the male and female. Next is environment. Environment also affects our BMI. Environment is natural environment are the living conditions, living status, nutrition, etc. All are coming in this skills, and how we are psychologically, socially, you are surrounding our environment is that also affects the BMI. Next is your fever. Fever means increasing temperature. In fever, what happens? Increasing temperature. If temperature will increase, then whatever will the BMI rate also will increase. Yet बुखार हो जाएगा, टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाएगा तो BMI रेट भी बढ़ जाएगा. तो इसलिए these are the factors affecting what BMI. तो this is all about to just a short lecture, and under later classes we will discuss more about this.